hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Shy. Ooh, I almost showed y'all my work ID, child. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Shy, and yes, y'all, we're back with another car video. Y'all, this is like the last week of me looking like this. I'm so tired of looking like this, y'all. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're liking what we have going on for this vlogmas. Happy vlogmas. I don't know, this is like video number 10 or something. I don't even know anymore. So y'all, I had a whole video planned on my phone. So y'all, ooh, I have a headache. Y'all already know the vibes. Just got off work, and today we have a package. Y'all, today's package is Kylie. Kylie has been doing this, Kylie Jenner, her lip kits and stuff and makeup. Kylie has been doing this thing where every day, I think every day in December, she is like putting out specials. So one of her specials was, oh, she got some little Kylie stickers in here. Okay, girl, that's cute. I'm being nosy, people outside. So she had this special, like every day she does this like surprise special. So she had this one special that was, okay, she gave me some little samples and stuff. She does samples real lovely. Okay, Kylie, that's cute. I so forgot that I ordered samples. I keep interrupting what I was gonna say, but she doing this thing where she does a special every day in December. I believe it's every day in December, or maybe every day until Christmas. So she did this one sample where it was basically everything's falling. Hold on, guys. She did this one special where basically she did a buy one get one free on her gloss. So we have the gloss. I look a mess, y'all. My hair don't sweat it all out. It's like over with. It's over with. I'm so ready to get my hair done Saturday. Or maybe I should do the card thing for a thumbnail. Okay, that's just gonna have to do. So I ordered 2 glosses. The 2 glosses I ordered was High Gloss in the Always Shining. This is Always Shining. And then I ordered High Gloss in the Oh You Fancy. So we're gonna try these on real quick. I really didn't think this through, cause I really ain't got no napkins or nothing on me. Hold on. Check the glove. But oh, I do actually. Let me snaggle one. And we're gonna actually do a little try on. You know? I don't usually do that with my little box openings. I don't want to jinx myself, but you guys, it does not really look like it's a lot of gloss in here, which is crazy. But this, I guess this is like a clear gloss. It really don't look like a lot of gloss in here, y'all. It might be because it's clear. I don't know. Let's see. It smells like regular gloss. It looks like regular gloss. I just need some gloss real bad, y'all, because I bought like 2 Dior lip glosses, and like I have very sensitive lips. When I use Carmex, it breaks my lips out. I go into this whole like allergic reaction. My lips swell up, they turn black, like it's crazy. So Dior, I bought 2 lip glosses, $80. Dior lip gloss did that to me, so I gave them to my mom. And it's just really hard for me to find a lip gloss that's not gonna break me out. And Kylie usually doesn't. Look at my hair, it just sweated all out. And Kylie usually doesn't break me out, so I was like, let me go back to what I know. Let me go back to what I know. So this is the High Gloss Always Shining. Not major, just a little something. A little sparkle in your life. I'm gonna wipe it off. It's just a clear gloss just to slip on. Probably put some liner with it. I put liner with all my gloss, to be honest. I wanted to clean my car out, but every dog's running around here. I might have to do that when I go home. Alright, so we're gonna try the... Somebody coming down the street, lights all bright. Like it's midnight. Ooh, this is a cute color. I wanna see the color. Can you guys see that real good? The other one was like a clear, but this is like a brownish. It is called Oh You Fancy. It's cute. You see, like how I was saying, like you can tell it's gloss in here. That clear one, it just, I guess because it was clear, it seemed like it was no gloss in there. It probably all looks the same in this car. Well, I can kind of tell the difference. I'm gonna like that's fancy. Oh You Fancy. I like this one already. Okay, a quick little try on for y'all. Little try on. I needed these glosses so bad, so thank God she did. But I won't get one free. I wonder what she's doing today. Ain't no telling y'all. But you know, these are my go-to if my lips are breaking. Well, these are my go-to because my lips break out. But if you have sensitive lips like me and you just don't know what to try, maybe you guys should try Kylie lip kit. These might go in somebody's in somebody's stocking. Cute, right? Cute. Alright, thank you guys. I won't hold y'all up any longer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for rocking with me for this vlogmas, y'all. I think we're almost just about halfway through. I'm only doing it to Christmas Eve this year. I think that's the same thing I did last year, to Christmas Eve. So thank you guys for watching, check in, and checking out.